Hello, cookie lovers! Today we are putting a tropical twist on a classic favorite. These cookies combine the sweetness of chocolate with the exotic taste of coconut for a delightful treat. So let's get baking. Of course, you gotta start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you can either lightly grease or line with parchment paper your cookie sheets, because no one wants a stuck-on cookie. Now, to make the dough, in a large bowl, I'm gonna combine 1 cup of softened butter along with 1 cup of tightly packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. We're gonna mix that together for about 2 minutes, and I'm using a stand mixer, but you could easily use a hand mixer for this step. Creaming the butter and sugars together properly adds air to our cookies, making them fluffy and light and so delicious. Next, we're gonna add in 2 large eggs. I like to crack those into a bowl first, ensuring that I don't have any shells. Add that right into that mixture, along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and go ahead and blend those until they're well combined. The vanilla doesn't just add flavor, it enhances that sweetness of the sugar. Non-delicious cookies. I don't even know how to make non-delicious cookies. Now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that just a quick mix. And now we're gonna gradually add in our 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, just a little at a time. Our dough is perfectly combined, it's looking great. And now we're going to add in the stars of the show, which is 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut flakes. Just take a spoon and fold that all together. Now I'm gonna take a 2 tablespoons amount, put that into my hands and shape that into a nice ball. I say the word nice quite a bit because it's true. It's just nice. Go ahead and place those on your cookie sheet, and you're gonna fit about 12 per standard cookie sheet. I think because there's coconut in them, they're a little healthier than an average chocolate chip cookie. Therefore, I can eat like 2 or 3, not just 1. Justification. You know, Pepperidge Farms makes a cookie called the Sausalito. And it's like this, but it has macadamia chunks in it. And it's my dad's favorite cookie. Whenever it's his birthday or Father's Day or anything, we always get him a pack of Sausalito. And of course, I eat a couple. Now we just need to bake these, and I can hardly wait. They're going to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want them to have just a little kiss of brown, and that way they'll stay soft and chewy, so don't overbake them. Once they've finished cooking, we're gonna pull those from the oven and let them sit on that cookie sheet for 3 to 5 minutes because they're actually continuing to cook just a little bit more. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.